Me? Roblox, spelling bee.
Okay. Roblox
Fuck you.
spelling bee. All right. What's your second pick?
Valorant.
Valorant skirmish.
Yeah.
Best. We'll just say 10. All
Alright.
right. My third pick. I'm going to do Fortnite box fights.
Fuck, I'm cooked. Alright, guys. He
For
wins that.
for I'm gonna do Apex.
Okay.
Okay,
Do I pick now?
what's the no? We have to agree on one. We had to agree on one. We agree on the last one.
Um,
We can do. Okay, I'm down for Siege or Counter Strike.
I'm I'm down with Valorant.
That's hard, bro. Siege or Counter Strike. We gotta pick the last one. I'm saying
Oh shit. Okay.
the last one.
See.
All right, Siege Oregon. All right. Oh my goodness, that's what. Okay, whatever. Siege. All right, let's start.
After this.
First game, Valorant.
Fight.
Wait, hold on, wait. Okay, let's go.
I gotta walk in.
Oh, wait, are we doing sheriff?
No, we can do both.
Oh,
Sure,
okay. I thought I was doing it wrong. Oh my god, I was 6 HP.
4.
Let's try.
Keep up.
Alright, let me change like crosshair. Alright. Fuck.
Oh, that I just clipped you. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
The shit.
Even fight? That's fun.
What did I say, bro? I said no.
Aw, try harder.
Oh my god, wait, I almost broke my earbud.
If I take this one, it's over, bro. You have to take
Alright,
it.
hold on.
This is like your best game.
Alright, let's go. Oh my god! Fuck you, you scared me. I don't know where the fuck you are. Oh shit. 3, 2, 1, flipped. Oh fuck, we're using sheriff now, huh?
Oh my goodness, I'm whipping. I'm lagging. I'm fine now. Bro, I'm gonna edit. I'm gonna cut this
Fuck
part
my
out. But you
cock.
gotta start cussing, bro. You gotta stop, bro.
Oh shoot, sorry. No, but Joe Bart, like he cusses. Why can't I?
Yikes. That sucks.
I mean, you can. I just don't want the video to be posted.
Let's fly.
Oh, okay, my bad. Sorry guys for cussing. Sorry for like the little 5-year-olds. Oh, sheriff? Kobe. Oh fuck. Oh. Kobe. Oh shoot. Kobe, booyah! Oh, shoot.
There you are, you
You're
shit.
cheating! 5-year-olds, I hate you guys.
Let's go.
Yo, the bad that I hate 5-year-olds.
Last one down.
I hate you.
Lock in, bro.
You can't catch us.
What do you mean lock in? Yeah, lock in, bro. I'm gonna randomly just turn into like SOM. Yeah, I hate you, man. I'm just gonna start cursing.
This is gonna be fun.
Fuck you. Oh, my bad. Sorry, guys. I forgot you guys were here. Are you recording?
Bro, I've been recording the whole time.
Oh, okay. Just like blur it out. What do you mean? Just blur it out. What the fuck are you talking about? Just blur it out.
That sucks.
I might keep
Fuck
it, bro. It's
you.
kind of funny, bro.
Let's fly.
Fuck you. I will rip your heart out and feed it to my dog. I hate you. If I die again, I will murder you. Oh my.
There you
Just
are.
because you're an Asian,
touched
bro,
my
doesn't mean
monitor.
you can say that, bro.
Oh my god, did I break my monitor? Holy shit, I thought I broke my monitor.
Aw, thought to try harder.
Fuck you!
match
Fuck
point.
you, nigger, nigger!
I can't. You can't say that though. You actually can't say that.
Fuck you! Oh shit. Bulk.
GG,
I hate
first
you!
game goes to me.
I give up.
Spelling dad.
Oh, I almost spelled that wrong because I don't have.
All
one,
right,
bro.
spell bar.
Oh my god. I pressed the B too early.
Your next
can't press
word
it too
is
early.
ball.
Ball. Balls.
All right, try spelling cool. Your word is run. Your word is car. Spell cake. All right, can you spell ruby?
Yo, these aren't even hard.
All right, can you spell zoo? Your word is elf. Your next word is stop. Your next word is foot.
Bro, if you get 2 more wrong, I win, bro. I already have
All right, can you spell wind?
Didn't you say you only have one?
It says 3 on top.
All right, can you spell town?
Oh.
Oh my god.
Your word is four.
What the hell?
Please spell door.
Ooh.
Your next word is five. Please spell fish.
I
All
spelled it
right,
wrong. I thought
try
I clicked
spelling
A.
pen.
What? It said
It said pan, stupid.
It said pan?
Yeah, okay.
You have 1. I have 1. It's tied, bro.
Yeah, look, I have the crown now, bitch.
Your next word is book. The next word is pink.
Yo, you
Why
All
did you-
right, try spelling bed.
No, I didn't. I just wanted
Can you
to do it
spell
like that.
cry? The next word is tree.
I'm doing this on
Your next
purpose.
word is try.
Ball.
All right, try spelling kiss.
Oh, that's what you were. That's what you were multiple
Next
do
up,
at night.
mom.
You almost spelled nom, bro.
Can you spell dog?
Ooh, something you eat, bro.
Your next word is
Fuck you.
mix. Spell tap.
I tapped last night.
All right, try spelling owl.
Aw.
Yo, you gotta get something wrong,
Spell hat.
bro. Ooh, that was tough.
All right, can you spell rain?
Kobe.
Just like Sophie right bro.
The next word is milk.
Milk.
I just have the wrong button.
Spell cup.
C-U-P. Oh.
Spell air.
What?
Ooh.
The next word is red. All right, spell ink.
Bro, I forgot to do my homework. Oh shit.
You got 2, bro. You got. Yo, why are you thinking about that right now, bro? You got 2.
I know, but the thing is, bro, if I don't finish it, she's gonna tell my parents, and my parents have a belt in the room. And I wonder why my booty's bruised.
All right, can you spell bird?
I made it harder.
How'd you make it harder?
Your next word
I
is
switched the
eat.
difficulty.
What do you say?
Eat, 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 eat,
Wait.
eat, eat.
All right, try spelling big.
Just like me.
Can you
What?
spell jog?
What'd you say?
I
Spell
didn't say nothing.
moon.
Moon.
I'm gonna moon you, I ain't gonna lie.
Your word
the
is
fuck?
tag. Your next word is job.
Something I don't
EOB.
have, bro.
Your word is bus. All right, can you spell B?
Good boy.
Your word is pie.
Of course you know that, you fat.
Fuck you.
Can you spell bad?
Ooh.
Your next
boy.
word is hat. Please spell suck.
Whoa.
I suck at spelling suck, bro.
That's you, boy.
Okay, you have
said
3, I have
mobile
1.
suck.
You have 3, bro. You have 3, I have 1.
I need
why,
2 more
why
to
am I
win.
so glowy, bro? Bro, SpongeBob, what happened?
Can you spell wow?
Wow.
Your next word is ruby.
Ubi.
What the fuck?
Can you spell size?
You wanna compare sizes?
Your next word is run.
What? Run?
Oh, dang it, I
Yo,
thought of
Jay,
it.
you your
Please
ass.
spell baby.
Just like you.
That's what you call mobile.
All right, try spelling wind.
Alright.
The next word is bad.
Duh.
All right, spell tag. Next up, tank.
I just want more.
No.
Why are you so fucking? Yo, you look like you put on like a whole gallon
Say
of
so, say
lotion
so.
on you. You look like you put a whole gallon of Vaseline on your ass.
I did.
The fuck?
The next word is cake.
Whoa!
I got some of that. You wanna look at it?
Your word is fish.
Yo, what? I'm allergic to this.
You allergic to fish? You
All right,
Asian,
try
bro?
spelling
Oh.
rain.
Yeah.
See, I know Sophie Rain, bro.
Can you spell two?
Two. G-O-O. Oh, that is tricky, bro.
Next up, one.
What? You won, bruh. I'm gonna be able to not to build. Here we go. Ready? I can't build. You can. Ready? Here we go.
Are we starting like the score or
Yeah,
no?
restart the score. 0-0.
Cooked! Wait. Okay, maybe I am still
I'm done.
cooked.
You were one shot. Bro, it's hard not to build. Alright, here we go.
I didn't even build.
You can build, yeah.
Well, I built a little bit,
Yeah, you
like a
got one.
box. That's
No!
Yeah!
It's hard not to build, bro. Alright, you have 2. We'll do first to 5. First to 5. Here we go. Yo, how are you beating me, bro? Okay, you have 3. You have 3. Here we go.
Kobe! No, you're not dead!
Alright, I got 1. I got 1. You got 2. Right?
My dog's trying to eat my
No,
dick.
You have 3. I have 1. Yo, I can't, bro. Alright, you need 1 more, and I need 4 in a row. It's so good. Okay, last round I can build. Last round I can build.
Fuck.
Bro.
Yo, my dog's in the way. Hold up. Move out the fucking way, bitch.
Last
Alright.
round I can build, bro.
I'm scared. Oh, fuck. I like titties.
What?
You heard me, boy. What the fuck? You can't build.
No, I said in the last round when you were 1 round away, I can build.
Oh. I hate this
You need
game.
one more, bro.
Yo, I hate this game. Please spare me. I'm sorry. Please spare me. Oh my god.
No way. Four. Next round wins. Next round wins. I won't be able to build. I'm not gonna be able to build this round. Last round. Winner takes all. Okay, here we go.
Oh my god.
No! You won, bro. Alright. Alright, now we go to siege. Now we go to siege, bro. You won that one.
My dog gave me good luck. I'm cooked. Holy shit. No.
Op 4 neutralized. Successful. Op 4 eliminated. Mission successful.
Oh my god.
Alright, bro. 2-0. My recoil control. I'm so bad, bro.
Damn it.
Oh,
Yes!
you
Friendlies
got
have
me,
been
bro. I almost
eliminated.
got you, though. The right way, but I would shoot the camera, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Where? The hat?
Yeah, the flashing red thing.
Oh. Ah, damn it! What the fuck?
Op 4 has located a bomb.
Oh my days, you just clipped
Mission
me, bro.
failed. All friendlies were eliminated.
Yo, I randomly shot.
Yo, you one tap.
Diffuser is online and active.
No way, you knew what? How do you know that? How do you know that strat? I know. How do you know that? Thing is, you gotta come in eventually, bro.
Yeah, obviously. Oh my god!
There
Op
we
4
go.
eliminated.
Oh,
Mission successful.
I don't know how I didn't
Yeah.
kill you with that. I don't know how I didn't kill you with the C4, bro. Bulletproof camera, bro. You can't see.
Oh shit!
What are you doing, bro?
How do I break
You
it?
can't. It's bulletproof, bro.
Fuck, so I'm cooked.
I'm just gonna watch you, bro.
What the fuck?
It doesn't do it
What
on
the
camera,
hell?
bro. I can't kill you with it though.
So you can bomb it? You can start it,
Yo, you
is what
started
you're saying.
rebelling, bro.
Yeah, cause I'm scared. Oh my god, what the fuck?
That was the funniest way to end it. That was the funniest way to end it. Look at this. I'm watching you. Alright guys, it's 2-2.
Over here.
We're gonna start. I have a handicap because I have Mozambique and P2020 and he has whatever guns and purple shield, I have gray shield. 3,
Okay, let's go.
1, go. That's one for him.
Wait, did I get you?
Yep.
Deployed.
2, 3. Go. Oh my god, I missed every single shot.
I am taking fire, friends.
Damn it.
Enemy
One,
taken
one.
down.
One, go.
Grappling.
Wait. Not yet. Okay, now. Where the hell are you? Oh my god, you're right
Out,
there.
worlds. I'm leveled up and ready to upgrade.
What?
They're shooting at me.
Oh my god. No!
Oh, I'm so low. I'm healing up. Alrighty.
Okay, now?
Set, go.
I am taking fire, friends. I should get an upgrade. I've always wanted an iPad. Here I go.
Attack here, compadre.
Whiff by me.
And me! What are you talking about? Whiff by me? Yeah, look at me, bro! I'm missing every single shot!
Yo.
The enemies are shooting at me.
Please win!
I am down.
No, you're so low. One, go.
Fire. Grappling.
Holy whip! Holy whip!
Yo.
Whip by me!
The enemies are shooting at me. I better select an upgrade.
No!
Oh. 2 to 3.
Alright, hold
Okay,
up.
2, 3. Here we go. Already 3.
Wait. Okay, now.
Go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god, holy whip! Yo, I can't wait, dang! Where are you? Wait, what?
Firing. Using grapple.
Oh, he finally uses his abilities now.
Where the hell are you?
I should get an upgrade.
Oh my god!
Upgrades.
What the fuck?
I am taking fire, friends. Here I go.
I won't.
The enemies are shooting at me. Opening fire on the enemy.
Pistol's the worst in the game, bro.
Still, I still lose. Obviously, like, look, you're beaming me. What are you talking about, huh?
I just missed.
Yeah,
half
I get
3
beamed.
clips.
Either way, like, you see this? I'm getting beamed.
You took 2 damage.
So what? Like, look at you! What are you talking about? You took 2 damage. I'm getting beamed still, no matter what. even know
Get
where the
away
hell
from
you
me,
are.
boy! Get away!
Oh my god, I didn't even know you were there. Oh my god.
See, I'm telling you, bro.
I better select an
This is
upgrade.
more fair now, right?
I have been
Oh
down.
my days, you
Oh.
beat me in the.
Go.
Yep.
Oh my god, I whipped all my shots. Oh, it's cooked. It's cooked.
I can't hit
Yeah.
that either.
Okay.
Firing.
Yeah, what do you mean? I already got shot once. Yeah, what do you mean are you getting shot? Like, look at me!
I have 9.
Where the hell?
The enemies are shooting
Shit.
at me.
Did I get you?
No, bro. Whoa. Chill. We can talk about this.
No! Fuck you! What the fuck?
We can talk about this. No, we can talk about this. We can talk about this.
No, where are
Recharging
you?
shield. I want bigger
Oh,
arms for
bitch.
hugging more friends.
Where the
Must be
fuck
time
are
for an
you?
upgrade.
Can we just talk about this? Huh?
Great. I'm at
Fuck
the
you.
maximum.
Oh shit.